Alright, welcome to the first episode of Clueless Mechanic. What I got here is I recently bought this 86 Fiero. It's in pretty decent shape overall. No real rust underneath it. Engine runs good. So I'm just going to go ahead and tune her up, and this is my little project car. So a couple things here and there I'm going to fix up the place. And I'm just going to take you guys along for the ride. Again, I'm not a mechanic. I'm pretty much clueless when it comes to this stuff. But you know, YouTube University is a great tool, so I'm gonna go ahead and change the Wiperblades. I already did the first one just to see how to do it. I saw a video online. It looks pretty easy, so I just went ahead and tested it and did it on the first one. Then decided, you know, well, I guess I'll just start my series, if you want to call it that, quick little series. It's not really that hard. You just go ahead and show you on this one. There's like a little writing right here that says open. Just pop this up. Comes right up like that, and just pops up like that. I don't know why the guy in the video said it's hard. It's not hard. Pretty simple, self-explanatory. So we'll go ahead and open up this one. These do come with different kind of you know, different expansions for different vehicles and stuff. Nice one about this one, it's already on there. You don't have to like switch anything out on this one. Some other ones I guess you do. This is a Goodyear hybrid blade, you know, just for now. Maybe I'll get some silicone ones better, because I guess silicone blades last way longer. But we'll just run with these for a little bit. So yeah, this is what they look like. It's pretty simple. Just like popping this off on this one. So it's just pops off out like that. So basically, get this little piece off. You're just gonna line the hole up. This hole right here, this part right here. All right, and slide her all the way through. Make sure she's popped through like that. And you just slide it down. And that's it. Bada bing, bada boom. It's done. Yeah, so I was watching videos. They say the guy, I know a lot of mechanics or whatever people watch. His name's Scotty. I can't remember his last name, but yeah, he said silicone blades are better because they last a lot longer. And the reason why you don't really find them a lot at stores is because they know that they run or they last a lot longer, so they don't make as much money. So it's better just to have these generic rubber ones, or, you know, this rubber style ones. Because they run out a lot quicker. So, you know, you got Amazon and stuff nowadays. You could just order them on Amazon and get them shipped to your house. But I'll do that next time. I'll run these through for a while, and then go ahead and get silicone ones next. But thanks for watching my first episode. I already did a couple things. Actually, one of the easiest things I did on this before I started my series was actually changing the PCV valve. Actually, I'll show you that real quick. It's a pretty easy setup. Yeah, so this is the back of the Fiero, and so PCV valve is right here. So all you do is pop that off, and that's it right there. And then this little thing pops off, and this was like super dirty underneath. Really dirty. It was really bad. You can see in there's really grimy. So hopefully gonna be able to clean that out. I did change the oil on it as well, but I took that somewhere to get it done. Because again, I'm not too sure how to do all that stuff because I'm a clueless mechanic. So sure, later on my brother can show me how to do it, or I could just go on YouTube. My brother's a pretty good mechanic. So you just pop that off, put that in, and boom, there you go. PCV valve, switched on, change. I am going to switch this out probably in a bit. This is engine sensor or something. Oh, I'll talk about it in the next video. I'll show you what it is. I'm going to be changing the EGR valve, which is like right here. Honestly, I don't know if it's good or bad or not, but I'm going to change it anyways because it looks like it's probably never been changed in all these, what, 30, 40 years. Underneath here is the air filter. I went ahead and already changed that too. That was all nasty and grimy and gross. Don't understand why people don't change that, but so I went ahead and put a new one in there. It's pretty easy. You pop this one off, you unscrew it, pop this vent off. You can see the oil where the guys at the oil change place and clean after their mess. Anyways, pop that off, and then there's like a screw on there. You just unscrew it, and then pop that top off, and then switch it out, and that's good enough. I'm just gonna do that for now. Use the original. Maybe at some point I'll get like a K&M or whatever air filter. Here's a bunch of stuff I need to fix, replace, whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all that stuff later. Like here's some covers for spark plugs and all that stuff I'm gonna be doing later. It's got spark plugs coming in today. Got new wires. These wires look decent, but I'm still gonna switch them out because I don't know. You know, they look nice, but then again, I don't know when was the last time they changed them. But yeah, this is the first episode. So by the way, batteries under there. Just pop this off. Batteries right there. No rust. That's why I got this car. There's like practically no rust underneath it. So at some point I'm gonna lift the car up and actually go through and clean it, and then put like rust sealant underneath, really protect it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make this car look really nice. Still at some point maybe put a 3800 supercharger in here at some point. But for now it runs good. You know, I'm just gonna ride it for a while, and before I switch all that out, save up money, switch it out. But yeah, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.